Welcome back to carfusetap. Here you'll find complete fuse box diagrams, relay locations, wiring diagrams, and troubleshooting guides for all types of vehicles. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. 1979 to 1981 Cadillac Eldorado fuse box location revealed. High voltage,